People, this is for you, content creators, music producers, graphic artists, anybody who uses their computer to create digital content, digital media, what have you. You need to back your stuff up. I can't stress this enough. I say this to all of y'all out there because I'm sure at one point in your journey using a computer, not even as a content creator, but even as just a regular person, you've lost your stuff due to a computer crash, a virus, or even had your device stolen. My suggestion to you is to back your stuff up. I don't care if it's using old school USB flash drive. Oops. Use one of those. USB flash drive. Easy to find, pretty cheap. Media is kind of cheap nowadays anyway. Storage is cheap. I say get you one of those. Simplistic, but effective.